Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindanos, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to go about reverting Google's Chrome's themes or general configurations back to the earlier design. And I believe 4 months ago at the time of this recording, and there were some slight changes that they've made, since to add additional settings you had to adjust in order to achieve the result. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome's browser. And then dito lang sa searching address bar ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung Chrome and then :/ and tags. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung Chrome : / and tags and then press mo lang enter. Tayo dito sa experiment. So ang next step, dito lang sa search plug ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung smooth scrolling. And so, makikita mo kaagad dito yung smooth scrolling. Ang next step nito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin itong enable. So, i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito yung enable. And then next step, dito lang ulit sa search plug ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung Chrome refresh. And so, makikita mo yung lahat ng Chrome refresh dito. So, Chrome refresh 2023. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-disable. So, dito sa right side, click mo lang itong arrow na yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung disable. And then, same naman dito sa pangalawa, select mo lang dito yung disable. And then, yung pangatlo, same, click mo itong disable. Alright, so once na-disable na siya, so ang next step, dito lang ulit sa search plug, ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung customize Chrome side panel. And so makikita mo dito yung customize Chrome side panel. So ang next step, kailangan lang natin itong i-disable. So dito sa right side, click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung disable. And then next step, dito lang sa baba, ay makikita mo dito yung rerun. So click mo lang yan. And then wait natin. Ayan. So makita mo lahat yung na-ayos o na-customize na settings dito. And so, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to change Google Chrome's interface back to the old style. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.